Hi everyone, my name is Chris Miller. Welcome to my course, Working with Native Features with Xamarin.Forms. This is an advanced course that will introduce you to accessing the native features of a platform when you're working with Xamarin.Forms. It will show you multiple ways of accessing native features. As we go through the course, we're going to build a sample application so that you can try out these techniques on your own. You will see practical ways of accessing native features from your code that you can put in your own applications. You'll learn about what comes with Xamarin.Forms right out of the box. And you will see how to add platform-specific code. You will learn what comes with Xamarin.Essentials and write an example for checking an internet connection. You'll learn how to use the device class with C# and with XAML. We'll write some UI-safe background code. You'll learn how to write classes that work with the dependency service. And we'll dive into dependency injection and how to leverage the inversion control pattern. By the end of this course, you'll know the basics for accessing native features with Xamarin.Forms. Please join me and we'll take the journey into native feature with Xamarin.Forms from Pluralsight. I think you'll enjoy it.